In case your Google Photos app is showing languages you don't know or understand, then in this video I'll explain why that is happening and provide you the solution. So first, this is not an error or a glitch, it's a new update Google Photos has introduced, whereby one can access memory titles and notifications in their preferred languages, and it's affecting users from Bangladesh, India, Pakistan and Philippines. Now in order for you to fix this, open your Google Photos app. After opening your Google Photos app, now click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now select Manage your Google account. Now here select Personal Info, the very first option. Now scroll down to the bottom. Then select Language. Now here you'll see a variety of languages appeared on your Google Photos app. Now if any of these languages you don't understand and you want to delete them, just click on that trash icon here at the right and you can delete all of these languages. And the next step is to turn off automatically add languages. This will prevent from any language to appear on your Google Photos app. And that's how to change language in Google Photos app. Now if you found this guide useful, like, share and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one.